YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is the 5-volt dual USB 8x18650 power bank battery DIY box for mobile home charger. This is only a shell case. It comes with the LCD digitizer screen. LCD display. So I bought one this previously, and then it was a pink one. So this time it's a baby blue. Let's go ahead and open this up. So the reason I like this one is this is not the liquid crystal one. What? So this one is kind of different than my previous one. Instead of liquid crystal, this is just a digit. So hopefully it works the same way. All you need to do is insert your 18650 battery on here, and then all you do is just where's the screen? So here is the screen that you just stick it on here. I'm not sure why is this blocked. Another thing I want to mention is that it comes with this lens, but when I try to look through the light, it was super dark. So make sure you take out this centerpiece, right? And now you can see through it. So at first I was just peeling this off, and I said, what? So this is like a double-sided tape. You could also reuse it later on. So all you need to do is to take out the double-sided tape right here around the frame of the lens, and then paste it on the front cover. Because the previous one, the one I have, it was just clear. So there you go. So as you can see on the corner, it's all black. And now you could just put it on here. It doesn't matter which direction. And before you put the cover, you want to clean on this side. So I guess it shows a LED, that red LED or some green one or something. Not even sure. But as long as it shows input and output, shows how many amp, 1.0 amp or 2.1 amp. So yeah, basically about the same. So it has the input output, and this one has a dual USB charging port and also dual micro USB charging port to charge your battery pack faster. And once you press this button, the switch, twice quickly enough, you're gonna get the dual LED flashlight. Okay. So this is depends on how many milliamp. It's all based on your battery, what kind of battery you have and stuff like that. And there is your button on and off, and turn on the flash. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. This one I pay $4.27 plus 29 cents for the shipping. So the total damage is $4.56, which is an awesome deal. And I like it because this one has an A cell. It's kind of a little bit heavier, but it lasts a pretty long time. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.